Is there a standardized way to log error codes and diagnostics for reference? Begin each service record with the date, time, equipment identifier, and the specific symptom observed to create a clear trail. When you capture error codes, record the exact code string and the conditions present when it occurred, such as load, temperature, or mode, because context makes codes actionable. Describe each diagnostic step, the tools and measurement points used, the measured values, and why you chose that test so someone else can replicate your reasoning. If you consult a manufacturer chart, note the chart version and page or link and quote the code interpretation verbatim to avoid paraphrase drift. After any adjustment or repair, rerun the original test sequence and record the before and after values, and include a pass or fail note for each functional check. Keep records in a searchable format and use consistent field names like symptom, code, test performed, result, action taken, and follow-up so you can quickly filter by recurring issues. Technicians often miss recording ambient or operating conditions, which can hide intermittent causes, so make it a habit to note temperature and load at the time of failure. Another common issue is vague descriptions such as unit not working, which you can avoid by using the symptom checklist method and writing what you observed, not what you assume. Teams sometimes fail to reference the exact diagnostic procedure used, and the fix is to always cite the test standard or manufacturer procedure so future techs know the intended sequence. A third mistake is leaving follow-up blank after a repair, which creates repeated calls, so schedule and document a verification check and owner instructions at handover. We help homeowners find trusted local contractors and allow contractors to showcase their services and connect with new clients. Our site includes a discussion community where members share experiences, troubleshooting tips, and project recommendations to support better decision-making.